let's polish up some steel. Hilco Red Extra. So that is a 2.5, 3.2s. And now I've just tried the 2.5s. I couldn't see properly. And that's just where it's all wavy. I've done some welding that isn't totally rubbish. I'm finding the smaller rods are easier to use. I've welded a new beam across it, and now I need to put an upright. This one is 37 centimeters. So the expanding foam is getting squished. That's the deal. It's the moment. It's having an effect on the floor there. So there it is. I need to weld it properly, but it's sort of spot welded-ish. But I need to do the roof up there and that bit. It's not brilliant in terms of it being a little bit wonky. Doesn't really matter all that much. It's all just extra steel to give it extra strength. So I'll just carry on. All the work you've seen so far has been done on the hottest day of the year. It is 28 degrees Celsius, that is in Fahrenheit, 1 million degrees Fahrenheit. This is what the roof looks like without the tarpaulin on it and in its final position. So to explain what I did, I shall show you. So that's what the rise is. The top here is actually the same height as when the boards and the tarpaulin was on it. Does that make sense? But the difference between the front and the back is that much. And now what will happen is that will be welded into that, and that will be patched up. All this will be taken off, and this, as it doesn't work and it's coming off at that end anyway. So I worked as the only thing that was actually true on the boat was the original top bit here. So I just added 10 centimeters to each one all the way up. These were not measured to fit into the space. They were just measured as, in this case, 36 centimeters. And then the roof was aligned to that measurement. So as a result, as you look down, the roof is level because the measurement is to this. Does that make sense? There's not much steel left when you take all the windows out though. So next job is just to whip that all off. Or maybe weld this up. Maybe I'll weld this up actually, probably more important. Dear. But as I say here, this is all coming off anyway. So it's coming off.
Time for a mutiny. Nar the fresh sea air. My moment to shine. Time to get this mast out of the way. Lower the mast, me hearties. Oh wait, I haven't got a crew. I guess I'm gonna have to do it myself. Arr, open sesame. Shiver me timbers. Cast away. Let's go, Linda. Never gonna catch me. Subscribe, you bilge rats. Batten down the hatches. Never find me here.
Well, I think it's time to move Linda, so let's go and move Linda. Where's Linda? Okay, it's quite clear. The sea captain has stolen Linda. We've got a boat chase on our hands. By the way, have you seen the flowers? They're really coming on nicely. Let's do a little tour before we chase down the sea captain. By the way, it is so hot here. I have this candle and I'm just leaving it to see how much it melts. And it's melting wax all the way down there. On the other hand, let's have a look at what we have. So we have lots of Ameria growing. That's good. Okay, maybe having the wax on the lip, which I've just slipped on, is probably a bit of a bad idea. Oh, nearly died. Right, let's carry on. So we've got some, well, these are, they're putting little babies out. Okay, that's, oh, that's some sneaky seeded Armeria growing. I just stung myself in that little accident on all the nettles. Hiya. Oh, thank you.
I love the colours.
Yes, yes. So we have a lot of poppy seeds coming along. Down here is my fuchsia, which is coming back from its winter hibernation. What'll happen, I'm hoping, is that the poppies will do their bit, and then I'll cut them down, and then we'll have the fuchsias come up, and that will produce big blooms. The aliens have come back, so that's good. This is the olive tree. So the olive tree is exploding this summer, and I don't know why. I don't know what the difference is, but it's I suppose this is its first season in this pot, so it's going to have a huge amount of flowers, and then obviously may end up having quite a lot of olives out of it. There's the little poppies, yellow poppies, that they're dwarf, so they're good, unlike these. This is my sedum, which is coming into bloom just now. That pot actually has turned into a bit of a masterpiece. Here's it from the other side. Yeah, so they're about to bloom. So this is my patch of house leeks, and I have 2 oak trees. The oak trees, incidentally, came from one of the houses that I did some storytelling in October, Whitley Court. So those are 2 oak tree saplings from Whitley Court, which is perfect. They can grow high and live in this, dwarf themselves in this tub, and the house leeks will live happily underneath. This is the saxifrage that went to seed and now producing little flowers. They'll go away. I don't know about the saxifrage, it might start taking over, but we'll see. And the oxalis, which is the little shamrocks, are under control simply because I keep picking them. Every time I see a leaf pop up, I keep picking them. You can see the oxalis here is all over the place. This is oxalis, but it's got pretty yellow flowers, so I don't mind it in certain areas, but not with the house leeks like that. And here you can see some burrowing activity going on. And this is because, yet again, we have another mallard. I wonder where they are. Oh, sorry, I already videoed that mallard. This one you're watching now is attempting to nest up here, so I keep shooing her away. If she nests, I can't move, and then I run out of water, and then I die of thirst. Anyway, that's a little tour of the garden as it is. This is this weed that grows along the bank, but I quite like it because it's a trailing weed, and as you see, it produces little yellow flowers, so I don't mind it. And also, it is indestructible. It will survive anything. Anyway, I've rabbited along. I think we better go and get Barge Linda back from the sea captain. He can't have gone far. He's only little. Right, let's do this. Where are you, sea captain? I see Linda. Right. Where are you? I know you're in here.
You'll never catch me alive.
Come on. Where are you? Right, Right, I can see you in the toilet.
No, I'm not hiding in the toilet.
Right. You're there in the toilet.
Ah, right. You got me. You know, I'm
You stole the boat.
but you know, right, yeah,
Come on.
well, there it is. You can have your boat back.
No, listen, I think...
Listen, I'm really, you know, obviously quite apologetic about that, and